Cristiano Ronaldo was recently seen spending quality time with British journalist Piers Morgan in Saudi Arabia. The player took to his Instagram account and shared the special moment with the caption, noting, "It's always fantastic to catch up with my good friend at Piers Morgan." Ronaldo and Piers have a strong friendship, with Morgan being a big fan of Ronaldo. 3 years ago, Morgan conducted an interview with Ronaldo, and during that interview, Ronaldo criticized Manchester United's manager and board, which eventually led to his departure from the club. The player then moved to Al Nassr, where he is currently playing and creating history with his remarkable records. Even though Ronaldo no longer plays in Europe, Morgan still continues to support him and attended an Al Nassr match recently. The Portuguese star has had a strong influence in the Saudi Pro League since joining Al Nassr, both through his performance on the field and his presence off the field. Although he has not led Al Nassr to win a major trophy yet, he has been one of the top players for the team and in the league as well. In his 88 games with Al Nassr, he has scored 79 goals and made 19 assists. In addition to this, CR7 recently reached 921 goals in his career, creating a significant lead over Messi in the all-time top scorers list with 71 more goals than Messi, who has 850 goals.